Hello everybody, welcome to our very first recipe video on our plant-based bros. Let me some of that. Today we are going to be making pesto pasta. We are using the Thermomix for the pesto, so if you don't have a Thermomix, you can use any blender, it works perfectly. Now I'll be introducing some of the ingredients to you. We are going to be using the fusilli semolato pasta, a bowl of spinach, a cup of more of basil leaves, so what we do is, because the Thermomix is quite full, we push it down. I'm using the container so it's not contamination. A cup of pumpkin seeds. Ooh. Pumpkin seeds is my favorite type of seed, so yeah, I love it. Okay, we are going to be using a clove of garlic, a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt, a sprinkle of black pepper. We are using lemon essential oil, and we are going to be putting the cap on, and this, sorry, wrong way, and we are going to be blending it for 1 minute. Okay, so right now we are going to do the pasta. So what you need to do is have the pasta, obviously. The fusilli semolato. We pour it in boiling water. Oops. A squirt of olive oil or a drizzle of olive oil. And my brother is going to pour in the Himalayan sea salt. Just a pinch. Finally, the pasta's ready. We have boiled it for 8 minutes, so we're just gonna plate it a bit. Remember to drain the water. I'm just gonna try this. I'm gonna have a quick look inside. Whoa, that looks amazing and very green. Okay. So look at we have done it for 2 minutes because we went for more consistency. But those who want a bit more crunchy and flavorful things, you can just do 1 minute and it's okay. Okay, look how good this looks. I'm just gonna try it. Don't mind if I do. Amazing. The seasoning is so on point. I can actually taste the pesto flavor. It's amazing. Looks so delicious. I'm gonna go grab some forks and let us taste it. Alright, so remember, before you taste it, you're gonna have to mix it. Just gonna mix it around a bit. You can help me if you want. Just toss it up a bit. Let the pasta all go in here and there. And just gonna show you guys. It was amazing. I can actually see the pesto mixing in with the pasta. Alright, so okay, I'm just gonna try it. Dig in, everybody. Amazing. Delicious. So this is how you create the fusilli semolato pasta. Hang on, guys. Hold on. Now, you may think that pesto is just for pasta, like the fusilli semolato, spaghetti, angel hair and everything, but we have made some salad for our father, and you can just actually put some pesto on it, to be honest. Can you help me? Yeah, just put it all over. The pesto really mixes with the green of the salad. Alright, so hopefully he likes it, and thank you for watching. We are the Plant-Based Brothers. Bye!